A bill of materials, or BOM version, is the link or reference between an item and the main BOM. With BOM versions, an item can be associated with many different BOMs. Version control allows you to start and stop production of a selected BOM version. All BOM versions have an expiration date. However, this date can be preempted by activating a new version. Activation tells the system to phase out the old version automatically and make the new one active. The system then immediately starts to plan and buy based on the information in the new BOM version. There are several methods to control active and inactive BOM versions used in production. You can use date and quantity control or site control. Let's look at the options for these types. For an item, the system can select a different BOM for the same dates, but with different quantities. Quantity, but with different dates. Quantity and dates, but different sites. AX lets you control BOM versions ready for production depending on a production site. You can have multiple BOM versions identical in quantity and dates, but different in site. If the company uses multi-site functionality, you create a BOM version in the BOM line form and specifies the site for which the BOM version is valid in the site field. If you do not specify the site, the BOM version is valid for all sites. These options give you the ability to control automatically which BOM version is used. All approved versions can be used if they're assigned manually to production orders. However, only the active BOM versions will be considered by master planning or when creating a production order automatically from a sales order. Keep in mind that you can stop the production of certain BOM versions, either temporarily or permanently. The easiest way to accomplish this is to deactivate the BOM version. In the BOM line form, deactivate the active BOM version by clicking Activation.